Bidet seat installation instructions may vary slightly by model. Please be sure to follow the specific installation guide included with your product purchase. To begin, KOHLER electric bidet seats require a dedicated 120-volt GFCI protected electrical outlet. This outlet must be located within 32 inches or 813 millimeters of the toilet to accommodate the power cord. You will need an adjustable wrench, flathead screwdriver, and a towel for this installation. First, remove your existing toilet seat and turn off the toilet's water supply. Flush the toilet to relieve any pressure from the supply hose. Disconnect the water supply hose from the toilet fill valve. Next, position the bidet seat mounting plate over the mounting holes on the toilet bowl. Position the inserts in the grooves on the mounting plate. Fit the bolts through the inserts and thread within the mounting holes. Assemble a gasket, washer, and nut onto each bolt without fully tightening yet. Slide the seat onto the mounting plate until you feel it snap into place. Check the seat position and adjust as needed. If you need to reposition the mounting plate, remove the seat by pressing the release button and sliding the seat forward. Once the mounting plate is in the desired position, tighten the bolts and nuts, then slide the seat onto the mounting plate until you feel it snap into place. Attach the water supply hose to the seat. Use an adjustable wrench to tighten 1/4 turn past hand tight. To install the remote control, first position the docking station at the desired mounting location and confirm that it is level. Use a pencil to mark the 2 mounting hole locations on the wall. If using wall anchors, drill a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter hole at each of the marked locations. You can also install on a stud or other wood surface by drilling a 1/16 of an inch or 2 millimeter holes. Position the docking station over the anchors or marks and secure it with the provided screws. Next, verify that the gasket is installed inside the T-valve. Connect the T-valve to the water inlet on the toilet tank and the seat's water supply hose. Connect a supply hose to the T-valve and the supply stop. Turn on the water supply and check all connections for leaks. Make adjustments as needed. Plug the power cord into the GFCI outlet. Finally, test the seat function. Please note, the seat cleansing feature will not activate unless the sensor detects an occupant. To test the cleansing features, place your hand or a wet cloth on the occupancy sensor on the right side of the toilet, facing the toilet. You can also cover the seat with plastic wrap and test the features while sitting on the seat or covering the wand with your hand.